Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to reuse view in Swift UI application. Firstly, let me go ahead and create a new file into our project. Here I will select Swift UI view, then I will say my view, something like that, then create. Now I will replace this text to, let's say, my restaurant. Okay, now that text is visible here. This is the frame. Okay, now go back to your file, content view or something else as you wish. Now inside this, all you have to do is just call for your new view like this. You can see it has been added. Now I can also include that somewhere else. That means we can reuse this newly created view as we want in any file or any Swift UI code. Okay, that's how to create reusable views in Swift UI. Thank you very much. If this video helps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.